Before you throw away your kid's urine stain mattress, try this home remedy. Cleaning urine stains from a mattress can be effectively done using a few simple household ingredients like baking soda, white vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, 3%, liquid dish soap, spray bottle, clean cloths or paper towels, vacuum cleaner. All you have to do is firstly blot and press down firmly to absorb as much of the liquid as possible with a clean cloths or paper towels if the urine stain is fresh, but avoid rubbing as it may spread the stain. Then in a spray bottle, mix equal parts of white vinegar and water and spray generously this vinegar solution on the stained area. Vinegar helps to neutralize the ammonia in urine, reducing odor and breaking down the stain. After spraying, blot the area again with a clean cloth or paper towel to remove excess liquid. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the damp area. Baking soda absorbs moisture and odor. Mix and shake well. 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide, 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda in another spray bottle. Spray this solution over the baking soda that you sprinkle on the stain area and let it sit for 10–15 minutes. After 15 minutes, blot the area again with a clean cloth, absorbing as much liquid as possible. Allow the mattress to air dry. This may take several hours, so if possible, place the mattress in a well-ventilated area or use fans to speed up drying. Once the mattress is completely dry, use a vacuum cleaner to remove the dried baking soda and any remaining residue. Repeat this process for older set-in stains and always test the cleaning solutions on a small, inconspicuous area of the mattress first to ensure they don't cause any damage or discoloration. Remove both stains and odor from your mattress with this effective method. If you learned something from this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel.